Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're having a look at a 2017 Kia Forte EX Plus trim level. The car comes with alloy wheels, fog lights, signal repeaters in the mirrors, sunroof, and a whole bunch of other options that we'll talk about. That big green sign in the upper right hand corner of the windshield says the car is a certified pre-owned. Kia Canada has a program for the certified pre-owned units. There's a whole bunch of features and benefits for you to check out when you come down to take this little Forte out for a test drive. Looking down the driver's side of the car at those gorgeous alloy wheels and that beautiful royal blue color. On the door we have Sirius XM is on, which means that there's a 3-month trial of Sirius XM that comes with this car. Inside, of course, power windows, locks, and mirrors. That upper switch will cause the outside mirrors to fold up. Some of the controls for the car. And this little Forte only has 23,967 kilometers on it. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls as well as other functions. Sirius XM showing on the radio. By shifting into reverse, the backup camera comes on. Climate control, auxiliary USB and charging ports, heated cloth seats for driver and passenger in the front as well as a drive mode select. Car has push button start. As we climb out of this little Forte and we look up, we have a sunroof, beautiful black cloth seats, and the driver's seat is height adjustable. Since this is a Forte 4, it does have a trunk, and just by popping that, the trunk is opened. In the back, plenty of room back here for people to enjoy the ride. Going around the back of the car now. Really nice sized trunk. Plenty of room back here for suitcases, for hockey gear, for any kind of sports gear or outdoor gear you happen to be carrying, or a few groceries. Shot of that EX badge. 2017 Forte 4 EX Plus is available at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, and we're open 9 to 9 on Monday to Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sunday and most holidays. Best way to make an informed decision when you're considering buying a new car is to actually take the car out for a drive. Bring the family down, see how well the family fits in the car and how well the car fits into your lifestyle. Again, that's West Coast Kia out here in Maple Ridge.